Hello everyone, welcome to Research Solution. My name is Dr. Devor Sijana. I am young scientist and consultant statistician. This channel is created to guide you through your research work such as project writing, thesis writing, result analysis, synopsis and publication, as well as to give useful hints and guidance. Today we will discuss how to write a thesis for MD, MS, DM, MCH, Ph.D or DNB degree the right way. So let's watch the video.
If you are a medical student pursuing your MD, MS, DM, MCH, Ph.D. or DNB degree, then you must be aware of the importance of writing a thesis. Writing a thesis is a crucial part of your postgraduate degree and it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. Here are some general guidelines on how to write a thesis for a medical student. Number 1. Choose a topic. Choose a topic that you are passionate about and that has not been extensively researched. Your topic should be relevant to your field of study and contribute to the advancement of knowledge in your area. Number 2. Research. Once you have chosen your topic, conduct thorough research on the subject. Read books, research papers, and articles related to your topic. Take notes and organize your thoughts. Number 3. Create an outline. Create an outline of your thesis. Your outline should include an introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and reference. Number 4. Write the introduction. The introduction should provide background information on the topic, the research problem or question, and the objectives of the study. Number 5. Write the review of the literature. The literature review should summarize and evaluate the existing research on the topic in the last 10 years. This section should also identify any gaps in the current knowledge and explain how your study will contribute to filling those gaps. Number 6. Material and methodology. The methodology section should describe the research design, sample size, data collection methods, and data analysis techniques. Number 7. Result and analysis. The results section should present the findings of your research. Use graphs, tables, and charts to illustrate your results. Number 8. Discussion. The discussion should interpret the results, explain their significance, and discuss any other thesis with limitations of the study. Number 9. Write the conclusion. The conclusion should summarize the main findings of the study and discuss their implications for future research. Number 10. Revise and edit. Revise and edit your thesis to ensure that it is well written, well organized, and free of errors. Number 11. Format your thesis. Format your thesis according to the guidelines provided by your institution. This may include requirements for margins, fonts, spacing, and citation style. Number 12. Submit your thesis. Submit your thesis to your supervisor for review and feedback. Make any necessary revisions and resubmit until it is approved. By following these guidelines, you can write a thesis for MD, MS, DM, MCH, PhD, or DNB degree the right way and achieve academic success. Writing a thesis can be a challenging task, but it is an important part of your postgraduate degree. By following these tips, you can ensure that your thesis is relevant, well-researched, and meets the requirements of your institution. Good luck with your thesis and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and information. Like this video and share it with a fellow student or batchmate pursuing MD, MS, DM, MCH, PhD, or DNB degree. And please do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Your subscription is free but it motivates us to keep bringing such content to you every week. We need your support to reach as many students as we can. Thank you. See you next week with another such video.